So this is a Lamborghini Revuelto in the red. I already know I did one on the yellow, but let's just see if there's any difference with this one. And we'll just make it really quick since we kind of already know what to expect with the Revuelto. So let's just hurry up and open it. Now let's remove the backdrop. So now since it's out of the box, let's just take a look at it. Honestly, it doesn't seem like there's much of a difference compared to the yellow one to this one, other than the black rims and the interior being a red color, which still looks nice. I wanted to get one in red because I thought it just looked really good. So now let's just hurry up and take off the strips. So now let's just look at the inside. Doors open up. So with the door up, it's still kind of hard to tell what's in it. So let's just use the flashlight again. And you kind of see a bit more. Some red trim in there. Some detail on the steering wheel. Pretty good looking. So now let's just take it off the stand. It does come with the tools, so you don't have to take it off with your fingernails and potentially damage the paint. Again, gloss on the bottom, some detail, not too bad, and just another good looking Lamborghini. I'm not sure what this is. It's not a crack, it's like a plastic hair almost, like kind of like glue string, like when you're using a hot glue gun and it strings up like this and when it dries. So the front trunk, some space there, and again the back. The spoiler does go up as well, so that's good looking. Someday I'm going to get all the Revueltos lined up and it's just going to look so good. Something I want to do one day is make a diorama of like a Lamborghini dealer and put all these cars in there, because I think it would look so good and everything, especially if you if I were to like make a piece of paper of the the price and specs and all that and put it in the dash. I think that would look amazing, but I don't have the skills or money to do it yet, so something to work on. So now let's just put it on the rotating stand. So that is it for the Lamborghini Revuelto in the red. Since I've already made a video on it in the yellow, I didn't want to repeat the same things I've already said. So if you think you missed a bit or want to know just a tiny bit more, since there's not much here, you could check out that video. Let's just open all the doors now. So now with all the doors open, you can see the engine bay, you can see the interior a little, since it's a bit dark now. You can see the front, little space there so you could put your screws from the stand. And honestly, there's just not much else to talk about. So that's about it.